Hi, this is Daniel, Gorilla Vintage Scooters. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm installing a Vape Ignition system by SIP, or from SIP, by Vape. Well, here we go. So I've installed the stator. Right. Now we're going to set it up. So now I'm going to set it up. Let's get to it. First thing you want to do is put the flywheel on, which is line it up. The shaft key. Come on. There you go. Nicely. Okay, so now we need to find top dead center. Okay, so now I've installed this little gizmo from SIP with the degree wheel, and I've got the piston stop installed. So now we're just going to turn it until it hits. It can be either direction, it doesn't matter. So keep turning until it hits. Okay, there we go. It's hit. So now I'm going to turn the degree wheel to 0 and tighten it. Can't do this with one hand. So now that it's at 0, we're going to spin this part, not this, the flywheel, okay, in the opposite direction. And you just keep going until it stops. Try not to touch the degree wheel to offset it, otherwise you'll have to start again, because if you get it wrong, your timing will be out and you'll lose power. So it stopped at 59. You can see that. Okay, 59. So now you have to pull out the piston stop. Half of 59 is 29 and a half. So yeah, 29 and a half. So we're going to come down, carry on turning without the piston stop to 29 and a half. So about there. Right. So that should be top dead center. And where that line is up there, that's top dead center. So now we're going to work back from that. Because we want the firing order on this is 17 degrees before top dead center. So now that we got top dead center found, let's mark it. So I don't know if you can see it. I've just put the faintest, tiniest little green dot on that plate. There, just to align it, know that that's top dead center. So in case I move this part, this flywheel base, I've got a reference to go back, and it also lines up with that indentation on the base plate. So now so by the book it says that this firing order on this one is 17 degrees before top dead center. So we put it to 0 at top dead center. So we check, is it on 0? Yep, perfectly aligned on 0. Is it still aligned to top dead center? Yes, it is. And now we're going to turn back the flywheel portion 17 degrees. So there, to the 17 degree mark. So that means that's when it needs to fire. So that means you got to take, let me try and get a light here. That means we have to get that mark over there lined up with that mark over there. And that means the engine will fire at 17 degrees top dead center. So let's move that base plate. Be very careful not to move this. Keep this at 17 degrees. You're just going to move that base plate. Okay? Okay, so now I've moved so that the two lines line up perfectly. Oh, this one's in the way. There you go. It's dead on. Let me try and get a clearer picture. There we go. Focus. There we go. Those two are lined up. So that means it's going to fire at 17 degrees. So now you can tighten these bolts on the base plate. And then that's it. You've set your timing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Okay, now the last thing I do is I put on the flywheel. I still got it lined up. Those two marks. You can see there. They're perfect. There you go, perfectly lined up. So what I do now is I put on the flywheel, leaving that marked up like that. Make sure not to move that. Come on. Okay. And then slightly tighten. And then what I do, take a blue marker, and do is make a mark. Okay. So when I install this engine and I start it, I can put the strobe light on and make sure that it's firing exactly there. Then I can, if it's not, I can adjust it one way or another. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.